Okay, it's Thursday, September 22nd, just following up with Moderna. You can see here we've now worked down and taken out our first target here, kind of the 124.10 area. We're breaking through that. I was able to scale out of some of the options here at 510, just got filled. Bought those at 445, so it's a whole no risk trade right now. I want to see at this point, is this just temporarily broadening out? In terms of kind of holding up in this area, we're going to follow through lower to the bottom of the range. Again, going back to the premise of the trade, the weekly charts, as we now kind of consolidated up here and started down on a 2-down week, we definitely have targets here to take out some stops here, down at the like the 115 area, that type of thing, or 125 right now. So there's definitely room to continue lower to hit these stops. That's the bigger picture. Daily chart, again, you had the first move of the day, kind of took out, whoops. Yeah, right. I'm sorry. The first move of the day here on this 2-down day took out this low right here, and then it kind of consolidated for a while. So once that happened, then you're kind of looking, if you still have a bigger picture context to the downside and consolidates, you want to look for broadening action to the upside to try to, take advantage of that from a trade location standpoint. So bought some puts up here, and now, came down a little bit to start, paused a little bit, and now making that second push down. So it takes out this target, sets up a no-risk trade now to see if it continues lower. We'll see how. Got still a couple hours to go in the trading session. Let's see if we can attack those intraday lows. But at this point, even if it doesn't, and it continue, it's a no-risk trade overall, scaled out of some of the position. And now we can just watch to see if we can get a nice, red bar on the daily chart before the day's over. You will see if this bar turns red here, and then, again, we can just see if we get follow through day to day, back down towards these bigger picture targets as well. So good trade in terms of location, good trade in terms of getting the follow through you want to hit the target. And now we'll just see if the bigger picture context takes over and it can pick up a little momentum to the downside or not.